I wanted to come back and share with you guys what I have for my leftovers and what I plan on doing with these leftovers. I love a leftover video because it actually shows real, I don't know why I just did that. It actually shows like real life what was, like you watched me use a bunch of stuff and it looked like I used a very little product or a lot of product, depending on how you see it and how you think about it. And so I really wanted to share this point. Sometimes I'm able to do this and sometimes I am not because I have too many videos and I don't know where to put this in, because I have too many layouts that I made. And this one here, I really wanted to save for a couple more layouts, whether they're in December or finishing up my 2021 album. So for this one, I really wanted to share with you guys because I had an extra spot and I was able to actually put it in as to where I could share with you guys what my leftovers are. Normally I do this at the end of the month and then try to mix and match all of my leftovers, but I knew that this kit, I had a couple more layouts that I really wanted to do. Actually, scratch that. I wanted to take a couple pieces of these papers and put with other pictures outside of this kit. So I wanted to mix and match this with things outside of my kit conspiracy. Okay, sorry about that. So I have this gorgeous wreath. I think it goes like this though. That is leftover. And then I have my scrap papers. So this tree paper is left over. And I did cut off the branding strips. So I won't know what the names of the papers are, but I will know the collection. So I've got the polka dot paper as well. I have these scraps right here of this chevron. I like that I saved, that I had the foresight to save the actual chevron part. So I really like that. I have this left over from the star paper. And then I've got the centerpiece from that wreath paper that's got a little bit lighter of the flowers. This is left over from the corrugated cardstock paper, the ledger paper portion of it. Oh, I've got that, so I'm going to toss that. I have the Sparkle and Shine, quite a lot of large scraps. So I've got the stripes left over that's called Sparkle and Shine. Oh, more scraps. I have 2 full sheets. Oh, nope, I lied. This one is an extra and I keep trying to bring it in. I don't know how I ended up with an extra sheet, you guys. I am so sorry. I have 1 full sheet of paper left. This is the one I was telling you guys that I want to actually cut this in half and bring this forward to my Christmas and put this somewhere else with another kit that doesn't have anything to do with Kit Conspiracy. So that is that one. And then I have these leftover pieces. I've got this leftover from the music sheet. And then for my stripes, I have quite a bit of stripe scraps that are here. This one has tape on it, so that's why it's kind of sitting over here. So these are my stripe scraps, which I love saving this little bit because it creates a huge impact on your layout, just having that teeny tiny little bit of scrap. I have the buffalo check as well left over, and then in my in my tray for embellishments, I don't have a whole lot. Like, I'm super happy with how much I have. So these ones I will probably toss. I don't see a reason in keeping these because the buffalo check really, it has color, but I don't know what I would use with just having one and not having multiples like I did of the candied stripe. Okay, so I'm going to toss those. And then this is my twine, so I'm going to put that back where it belongs. I also have a leftover little vest. It'll go back where it belongs. But mostly what I have left are the yellows. So I've got a couple tabs. Whoa. A pink tab and 2 yellow tabs that I'm having a hard time separating. I have a lot of Christmas related of these tiny word banners. So hanging ornaments, home for the holidays, winter loving, comfort and joy. Lots and lots of Christmas related ones of those. Oh, letters to Santa, trimming the tree, things like that. I will bring over to my Christmas goodies. And then I've got some banner pieces. Again, I shied away from the yellow in my kit because it just really, I wanted that soft color so my photos can shine. Okay, so I've got some banner pieces. Over here I have several labels, again shying from the yellow, but I only had one yellow banner or yellow label anyways, but I've got a good mint, dark green, light green, and pink of the labels, as well as over here some more yellow and brown, and then one black one, oh, and another light green. And then I've got 3 of these, I don't know if they're tabs or not, but they're journaling bits. I've got a couple trees. Well, I've got a lot of trees left over, and these will definitely all go into my Christmas kit because I liked that. I have one of these little cut apart, again shying away from the yellow. And then for the icons and images, I have a yellow heart, a couple of animals, warmth and cozy word. I've got some postcards, so I saved these because they all have Bambi on them, and none of my layouts were Bambi related, so I've got the Bambi postcards as well as Santa with a Bambi, not postcards, I'm sorry, postage stamps, and so those will go on to my into my Christmas. I've got some cookie related icons and candy canes, so those will definitely go into my Christmas. I have a Christmas tree. I've got some berries of various kinds. Whoops. So I've got 3 different berries, 4 different berries left over in 3 different colors of red. I have some yellow rosed flower clusters all right here, and then or I don't know if those are roses or poppies, or not poppies, not pansies either, peonies. And then I've got some pink roses still, and then this guy here, I tried to use it on a layout, and then the word home. And that is pretty much all that I have left over that I will be, like I said, most of it is going to go into my Christmas stuff because this I can use as reading as a gold rather than a yellow. So I'm happy about that. And then everything else will just bring in except for this piece of paper here. I plan on using it with some train photos right here. It's got yellow in it too, so I might bring in some of the yellow, but I've got some train photos that I'm going to use this side for, and then this "'Twas the Night Before Christmas" poem will actually go into my Christmas stash, so it'll be a 50-50. All right, you guys, that is all I have for this week. I will see you guys tomorrow for the kit reveal for what we have going on for next week. All right, bye.